Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with essentials and the first action. Open the chapter and scan headings to pick 3-5 core ideas. You highlight key phrases, then jot a one-line summary for each heading. This forces clarity. Once done, condense definitions to 3-5 words and mark formulas or dates with a star. Make sure to keep your timer running. Short bursts prevent overload, and move on immediately to converting long passages into crisp note lines. Now you get into the detailed execution. Convert summaries into compact bullets and label them under mini-headings. Use arrows for causation, stars for must-remember facts, and question marks where you need to ask the teacher. Once the structure is set, create a 1-2 sentence big idea at the top of each section. This links details to the main concept. Make sure to cross-check formulas or dates with the textbook as you write, so your short notes stay accurate. Finish by converting essentials into study tools. Make 5 flashcards for high-value items and a 1-sentence cheat sheet for the chapter. You test yourself immediately, flip a card, say the answer aloud, and correct mistakes. Once complete, number pages and add quick tags for exam-type questions. If things go wrong, if notes feel messy or incomplete, pause, rescan headings, and rewrite only the unclear bullets. That fix reconnects you to the core ideas fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.